Okay, hey, Andy here and welcome to this first video. There are going to be a few tools that you will need to get started. And those three things that you need to do through this course, you need to go out and get before you continue through the course, is Jvzoo. Now, Jvzoo is an affiliate platform where people and product creators put their digital products onto Jvzoo. You can then get an affiliate link and promote that product and earn the commission. So you want to hop over to jvzoo.com. I'll leave a link below and you want to register. It's free to register, but you're going to need to have an account set up with them to then get affiliate links from product owners. The second thing you're going to need some landing page software. Now, if you're experienced with WordPress, HTML, you can go out and build your own landing pages, no problem. There is Optimized Press, there's lead pages, there's ClickFunnels, there's Squeezematic, which we have here. Really cheap software. You can pick some software up now, plugins to build these type landing pages for as little as $17–20 for the program. I think Optimized Press is a little bit more expensive. That's around $100 for 3 license keys. But once you have it, you can use that to build multiple landing pages. So you can see here, I'm using Squeezematic. This is about $20 for the license, and it's really good. You can see here you can drag the items here. So as you build your landing pages out, and the reason we build the landing pages out is for the traffic from the videos is going to come to the landing pages so we can get their email address before we send them on to the affiliate product they're looking for. It will come clear as we go through the course, but I just want to give you an overview of the tools that you're going to need. So you are going to need some landing page software. Like lead pages, really easy drag and drop system, or ClickFunnels. Again, I'm not really sure of the price. I think it's around $27–37 per month. But just get yourself some software. There is some free software for WordPress plugins as well to build lead pages, squeeze pages like this. But again, we use Squeezematic. Then you also, number 3, you're going to need a autoresponder. Now we use 2 different autoresponders. We use Aweber and Infusionsoft. We're going to base this all around Aweber through this course. Again, it's fairly cheap to get started, maybe about $7–10 per month for an email list, and it's an asset that you'll always own. So having an autoresponder and having somewhere you can store all the emails is a must anyway. If you're looking to build a business online, you're going to need to store those emails somewhere. So we recommend Aweber. So if you're diving in and get them 3 things, again, Jvzoo, you want some sort of capture squeeze page software that you can put onto WordPress, or you can use ClickFunnels or lead pages, and also your email autoresponder where you store all your emails. So I just want to give you an overview of that. They're the 3 things you need. Dive in, get them, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.